Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services, such as computing power, storage, and databases, on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider. Essential characteristics of cloud computing. Self-service allows cloud consumers to provision instances with computing resource. Multi-tenancy allow multiple cloud consumer to share the underlying hardware. Elasticity. Dynamically increase and decrease the resources used according to demand. Telemetry. Resource can be monitored and metered by the service provider as well as the cloud consumer. Public clouds. Public clouds are cloud environments typically created from IT infrastructure not owned by the end user. Some of the largest public cloud providers include Alibaba Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Traditional public clouds always ran off-premises, but today's public cloud providers have started offering cloud services on clients' on-premise data centers. This has made location and ownership distinctions obsolete. In a public cloud, you share the same hardware, storage, and network devices with other organizations or cloud tenants, and you access services and manage your account using a web browser. Public cloud deployments are frequently used to provide web-based email, online office applications, storage, and testing and development environments. Advantages of public clouds. Lower costs. No need to purchase hardware or software, and you pay only for the service you use. No maintenance. Your service provider provides the maintenance. Near unlimited scalability. On-demand resources are available to meet your business needs. High reliability. A vast network of servers ensures against failure. Potential challenges of public clouds. A poor fit for sensitive and confidential workloads. Some industries, such as finance and healthcare, require very high levels of security and are subject to strict privacy controls. These factors make public clouds inappropriate or preclude them outright. High expense point. The public cloud can impose a pricey TCO for high-use enterprise-wide deployments within mid-size to large organizations. Limited infrastructure visibility and control point. The cloud provider runs, maintains, and secures the infrastructure according to standards and strategies they set and enforce. These may not be sufficient to meet regulatory requirements for your particular industry.